Okay, so I don't even know where to start. First of all, let me start with the most important part of this video and what I've been wanting to say for months and months to you guys. I am so sorry for being so MIA, completely MIA this last 5 months. Now in this video I just want to take the opportunity and the chance to actually tell you guys what's been going on in our lives and why I was off the radar, and now that I'm back, tell you a little bit of an update of what's happening and that I'm back for good, and etc, etc. So if you're interested in knowing a little bit more about me, about us, the Voice family, and about why I've been away and why now I'm back, then just keep watching. I think it's just better to show you guys. Okay, that's a little bit more obvious. So, 29 weeks pregnant. Yes, so that happened. So, for those of you who have had children or are pregnant or have been pregnant, you may have experienced some nausea or morning sickness in my case, and I think in most women's case it's kind of like an all day and night sickness depending on the severity of your case. For me it was like literally 3.5 months of nausea, and also not just that, this is going to sound so bizarre, but I think this was my biggest indicator that it actually was with child, was literally when I started to look at my decor in my house and my DIYs and all the things that I absolutely love and am so passionate about, and they made me feel nauseous. It's so weird. I literally would look at the chandelier that I made that will be going in another YouTube video. I filmed it already and it's done. Stay tuned. I'd look up at it and literally either gag or throw up. Sometimes it was that bad. And that's just why I dropped off YouTube so unexpectedly, and it kind of got to the point after a month or two where I felt so defeated and deflated about YouTube and not having posted what I wanted to post. More than having not posted in weeks, I was more so defeated and deflated about the fact that I didn't get to put out all the content that I'd planned and wanted to put out for months and months beforehand, because of the way I felt. And so now I'm feeling 100%. Obviously it's still a little bit awkward or, you know, crampy or achy in my body somewhere sometimes, but that's the drill with being pregnant, is it not? But yeah, we're really happy. In regards to the little baby voice that's growing inside of me, we're so excited. At first, Davide and I were quite shocked, because obviously we were like, oh my gosh, like, it's a big thing. It's our first, obviously. But after like the first week or so, it's just the joy you have for the new gift of life and miracle just overtakes, and now we're so happy and we couldn't even imagine it any other way. Also, if you want to know the gender of our little baby, then I will insert the gender reveal video clip that we did now.
Ready, Steph?
Yes.
It's yellow.
So yes, we're having a little baby girl, which we are so happy and excited about. Obviously we'd be equally excited for a boy, but you know, we're equally excited for girls. So anyways, moving on. Also, Davide and I went on our belated honeymoon. We did get married over about a year ago, but we never went on a proper honeymoon, and we always planned to, but we kind of thought, oh, we'll just do it, you know, soon, but one day. And then obviously falling pregnant, we were like, okay, let's do this if we can before Baba comes, because, you know. So we had a lovely honeymoon. We went to Japan for 2 weeks and it was amazing. We just had an absolute blast. Love Japan. And I'll actually be uploading a little video clip of our time there for those of you who are interested to check out what we got up to in Japan. Yeah. And now moving on, I just want to thank you guys. Thank each and every single one of you all so much for literally blowing me out of the water with like your comments, your support, and also all the new subscribers. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for all of your love and comments and support and staying true to me. Just supporting me and loving me even when I wasn't there to, you know, respond or give back in any way while I was away. So thank you so much, every single one of you. I do know who you are and I have read your comments, and now I feel like it's just way too many to reply to. So I'm hoping that we can just, we're all cool with me just starting from scratch, plain blank start, fresh canvas, and I'll start replying to your comments again now in full-fledged from now onwards as much as I can. Okay, so I don't want this to be a super long video, so moving on to the other thing. I never ended up obviously doing my actual Christmas illustrations giveaway announcement. Again, I'm so sorry guys, but I'm gonna make it up to you guys a little bit as best as I can. I have here with me the hat with all the names of the entrants that entered in, and I'm going to, I'm going to get Davide to come in and pick a name from the hat without looking, of course, so it's extra even and equal and fair. Davide! He's sick today. Siedi. I just want you to pick.
Okay, I just picked.
I want you to pick the winner for my Christmas, which is like 6 months ago. My Christmas giveaway. Oh, the thing. Okay, now pick. And I want you to read it out.
Debbie Cagle.
Cagle? Debbie Cagle. We're going to stick with Debbie Cagle. Don't mind the bogan Aussie accent here. I will also, Debbie Cagle, here on the screen. You are the winner of my very belated, almost early for this year's Christmas illustration giveaway. Thanks, babe. You can go now.
Ciao.
And you can't get away quick enough. The other thing is, because I'm so late and because I feel so bad about it, for all the other entrants that did enter, I appreciate you guys wanting to be in the comp. So for anyone else that entered that comp, I've got your names written all down in here as well. That's via Instagram or YouTube. I will be happy to send you a digital copy as well to your email. If you just really want to receive those 3 images, just flick me an email with your email address saying that you want to claim the goods, and I will send them straight to you guys. So I hope that kind of makes up for it a little bit more. I'm so sorry guys again. Thank you so much for your patience, love and support. Again, it means so much to me. Anyways, moving on to the final topic of this video is, of course, that I'm back, and I'm back with full gusto. So if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Give yourself a pat on the back, thumbs up, Australian style. I love you guys. Until next time, see you later, and God bless you. Bye. Not pregnant. Pregnant.